Vacation plans changed and you need to cancel that Agoda booking and get your money back. I've got you covered. First, open the Agoda app or go to agoda.com and make sure you're logged into your account. This is important, or you won't be able to access your bookings. Now, look for the Bookings or My Bookings section. It's usually found in the account menu or somewhere on the main navigation bar. Tap on it. Find the specific booking you want to cancel from the list. Then select Manage Booking. This will open up the details for your reservation. Scroll down. Now, find the Cancel Booking button or link. It's often at the bottom of the page. Select the Cancel Booking button. A cancellation confirmation page will appear. Review the details carefully, especially the refund amount and any applicable fees. Confirm the cancellation. Agoda will send you a confirmation email confirming your cancellation and detailing the refund process. Keep an eye on your account for the refund to be processed. It may take some time based on your bank.